Make sure y'all like, comment, and subscribe.
Y'all don't get on my damn nerves.
We about to eat good tonight. And with the brush, What's up, boo? Don't worry about if your food won't turn out good. You might want to turn that TV down. First thing I'ma say, and the only thing I'ma say is, if you know, you know. I'ma give it a second, but God did it all less than 1 year, y'all. Please go purchase my ebook today, right now. Okay, y'all, we here trying to get the steak. So we ended up finding this steak, which is 3 steaks for $21. We're gonna get that. But it's 4 of us, so we need another one. This one $5. I don't mind eating this one. Next, we just get mashed potatoes and green beans. Y'all, where's her booty? Look at her, all that stomach out. You said what?
Which one? Sour cream which has butter, herbs, or roasted garlic.
Roasted garlic or butter and herbs. Cause I don't like.
We can put butter in it though.
So what you
I got
pick?
roasted garlic.
Okay, cool. That's fine. I think that's fine.
How many should I get?
I don't know. Have you ever cooked mashed potatoes like with that?
What kind did Mama used to make?
I want to say this box, but I don't know. I'm gonna call her.
No, she did not use no box.
I don't know, but hers used to be
They used
good.
to be. She used to put them in a bag.
That bad?
No.
I don't know. I'm about to call your mama. Girl, let me call her mama.
We gonna look at the seasons too and make sure.
Oh yeah, that's what we need to do next, and then we done. My mama. Look at her, just cozy. But anyways, no, too late. So which mashed potatoes do you be getting? You look cute. You look really cute.
Laid up like she is somebody.
You ain't showing me on the camera right
I am. You right here.
Who she think she is?
Girl, what mashed potatoes? Do you get this one?
That'd be better. Still want to make some mashed potatoes from scratch.
Girl, no, that's gonna take too long. She don't know what she's doing. Do you cook mashed potatoes with this?
If y'all buy the small, if you buy the small potatoes.
Why she not answering my question?
Garlic herb mashed potatoes. Don't you use the bodies?
I ain't bought no mashed potatoes like that in a minute. They go to the refrigerator section and I get those before I buy them bag.
Oh,
You know, some of the ones you put in the microwave.
Where is your bag of mashed potatoes then?
It's not hard. All you need is milk and butter.
So where is it?
I mean, if you buy real potatoes, I'm back on the camera.
girl, I'm sick of her. Let's see the ingredients. We could probably do this, Maya. It might be good. All right. Is there anything else you need from the store? Any of your requests?
I want something sweet.
All right.
I am trying to cook you guys here on the day.
Yeah, I see, girl. You look cute though. I'm not gonna lie.
Thank you. You know.
All right, bye. All day, but I have. Okay. We just got the groceries. Now we about to cook. So we can eat, watch some movies. We got a birthday cake from the kids to my mother. It say happy birthday, mama. Why you even gonna pick this up?
Don't you eat that? And then how you talking about it's good? You just
Girl, don't worry.
Don't put your hands. Give me my kids. Give me my damn kids. Y'all get on my damn nerve. Y'all play too much. Got me getting up off the sofa and you knew this was no damn shot.
Okay, body looking good. Okay.
Party. Why you locking in there? Give me my kids. Y'all ain't quit on. Why you you're not recording me?
So we got the cake cutter. Okay, so we got these green beans. We got this salad.
You got the big in that salad.
We got some onions. Maya's gonna cut up. We got some A1 sauce. This is the steaks we got. We about to eat good tonight. Oh, we found these mashed potatoes right here. So we about to see what we gonna do about going to the store, get some Worcestershire sauce to cook this steak. But right now I'm about to clean this kitchen. The kitchen look a hot mess and I can't clean this dirty kitchen. Maya about to go to the store and get some Worcestershire sauce, however you say it. This is the steak. And then we got green beans. We gotta put this in the microwave. I did not know that. My mom told me to get some cold mashed potatoes. We got salad.
Potatoes, but you didn't want to do that.
What?
Your mom told you to buy some real potatoes.
No, you didn't. You said buy the freezer one. Leah said. No, Leah said that. No, Leah said that. Thank you. These are the 2 pans I'm gonna use. I put the green beans in the little salsa pan. My sister went to the store. I'm about to rinse this meat off. I forgot, y'all, we also have croissants. So I'm about to rinse the meat off and then I'm about to season it. So I guess y'all about to see the montage of that. All the seasoning I will be using. So let's season this. This is like an old foil. So I'm gonna do pat the meat dry and then we're gonna season. So I'm about to charge it. Well, that way I'm about to rinse these green beans off and put them in a container so we could just cook it. My sister finally came back with the Worcestershire sauce. Mom, turn that TV down. Turn that TV down.
But it's fine.
You need to worry. You want to worry about if your food won't turn out good. You might want to turn that TV down. Maya over here with the bread struggling. Look at this bread.
Bro, how am I supposed to do this?
This might be the oven. I think it's the you can put it in for like 13 minutes.
You don't know how to roll bread. It was melting.
It was hard to roll. My mom's plate. This is my plate. Get into it. How was your food? Yeah, she turned her food up. Oh, we got salad. Oh,
Good.
she turned that steak up. Yeah.
4 out of 10. I kind of recommend. I was saying.
Girl, boo.
10 out of 10.
Once Leah doing what she doing, she gonna put on the movie. But I'm about to hurry up and get my seat on the couch, and I'm gonna end up the vlog. I'm ending up this vlog. Just got done cooking some good food with my sisters, and now we're about to lay down, watch a movie, and go to bed. And tomorrow I should film my inventory video. So yeah. Bye y'all. Please make sure y'all like, comment, and subscribe right now. And please make sure y'all pray before y'all go to bed, and pray in the morning before you do anything. Thank you. Love you.